So in the Sport Plus mode, very firm steering, which I like. And the chassis is very easy to feel. I feel like I have full control of the car right now, so I really like this Sport Plus mode for the drive mode and for the chassis. Now, driving down this really bumpy road, the ride is not as harsh as I thought it would be. And I think a lot of that has to do with the just overall support of these seats. I can feel the road, but it's not hurting me, if that makes sense. Very quick, not surprising. So if you all lose view, I'm sorry, but I'm about to put my foot in it. And without the sound, it's just crazy because it's silent. And what's wild is this thing only has about 20% battery, and it's still incredibly quick. And what's awesome is really you don't get a lot of play with the vehicle, if that makes sense. So I'm not necessarily getting thrown all over the place. Just very linear power curve. And that's the NO drive working there. So very solid system. The acceleration in this thing is just crazy. I mean, this thing really does pull. I love this car. I'll say this, if I had all the money in the world, I'd probably just need 3 vehicles. That'd be the Hummer EV, the Benz EQS 450 Plus, and then a Taycan Turbo S. And they really do hit everything that I would need for my dream garage. You want to have a fast pickup truck, I should say a fast super truck, a very, very luxurious vehicle that has all the bells and whistles and is super comfortable. And then you want your sports car, and this is just, of course it's a Porsche. It's the epitome of what an electric sports car should be. I mean, just awesome handling, super quick, and still comfortable to drive. But this thing just drives, it drives so well. And I've said that about the 4S, but this is just a different animal with just the power this thing has. Having almost 600 horsepower in an EV is just, in a Porsche for that matter, crazy. And what makes this Taycan Turbo S just perfect, in my opinion, for a build is I love the limestone beige interior. I love the volcano gray paint job. But I also love, not only took it for about a mile test drive, but I love the NOTHIN drive system. Just very nice adaptive cruise, lane centering. And I mean, this thing just, having the Turbo S and just having that little bit of extra power is just, it's worth it in my opinion. This thing is so quick. It's crazy. Now, me personally, I just wish I had a stronger recuperation, because especially being in this traffic, I like being able to get my energy back into the battery. But I mean, this is a sports car, so I'll be all right. But with that being said, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo S.